In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store data in make.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your make.com account. Once you're logged in, look for the left sidebar on your dashboard. Here, you'll find an option labeled Data Stores. Go ahead and click on that. It's important to make sure that you're working within the correct team, organization, or project because this is crucial for your scenarios to access the data store effectively. Once you're on the data stores page, the next step is to create a new data store. You should see a button that says Add Data Store. Click on that. This action will open up a setup configuration panel. Now here's a key point. Give your data store a clear and descriptive name. This name should reflect its exact purpose. For instance, you might name it Product Catalog Cache, if that's what you're storing. Moving on, we need to define the data structure or schema of your new data store. To do this, click on Create Data Structure. In this section, you'll set up how your data will be organized. First, you need to determine a unique identifier. Think of this as the key that distinguishes each entry in your data store. Along with that, you can add various attributes or fields, which might include specifics like the title, price, or status of an item. It's important to choose clear field names and to pick matching data types. For example, if you're labeling something as price, it should be in a numerical format. Now that we have our data structure set up, let's focus on the storage size. You'll want to select a storage capacity limit in megabytes. This should be based on your expected data volume. If you're just testing, going with a smaller size is perfectly acceptable. However, if you know you'll be handling a larger production workflow with a higher volume of data, make sure to scale up your storage limit accordingly. Finally, it's time to save and implement what you've created. So just go ahead and click the Save button to finalize your new data store. And bingo, you've just successfully set up a data store in make.com. By following these steps, you're ready to utilize this feature to organize and manage your data effortlessly. Remember, setting a clear purpose for your data store and careful planning of the data structure can greatly enhance your project's efficiency. If you found value in this tutorial, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more insightful videos.